This video looks at what happens when we multiply negative numbers or do sums which involve negative numbers in relation to multiplication and division. Now you'd be happy to know it's actually a lot easier than if we're adding or subtracting with negative numbers. There's less things to remember. One of the key factors we do have to remember is that if there is the signs are the same, the answer will be positive, and if the signs are different, then the answer will be negative. So in these three sums, we've got -8 times 5. Well, -8 has got a negative sign. 5 is a positive number. The signs are different, so the answer is going to be negative. The next one is 7 times -3. So we've got a positive 7 and we're timesing it by a -3 and -3. So a positive times a negative. The signs are different. It'll give us a negative answer. And then the last one, we've actually got two negative numbers, -6 times -4. So because the signs are the same, the answer is going to be positive. So I'm going to write that out first of all. The answers to my first two are going to be negative numbers, so I put a little negative in front, and the answer to my last one is positive. And remember, when we've got a positive number, we don't write anything in front of it. So all I've got to do now is work out the actual multiplication, and of course to do that you just need your times tables. So if you can't multiply these numbers together, I thoroughly recommend that you go away and learn your times tables until you know them off by heart. So 8 times 5 is 40, 7 times 3 is 21, and 6 times 4 is 24, and there we have our answers: -40, -21 and 24. Now you'll be happy to know that it's pretty much the same process, or it is the same process with division. If the signs are different, our answer is going to be negative. If the signs are the same, the answer is going to be positive. So in the first one, we've got -10 divided by 2. So that's a negative divided by a positive, which is going to give us a negative. 14 divided by -7, so it's a positive divided by a negative, which is going to give us a negative answer. And then -20 divided by -10, well, they're both negatives, the signs are the same, so the answer is going to be positive. So I put negatives for the first two, and I leave a blank for the bottom one. And then all I've got to do is the division. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 20 divided by 10 is 2. And there are my three answers: -5, -2, and 2.